Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 7 Pro and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter date and time. It should be on the 4th position. And as you can see here, we've got some options which we cannot actually customize. As you can see, we cannot tap on date, time or the time zone. It is because we are using the time and the time zone set automatically, so they are nowhere provided. So first of all, we have to tap on those switchers to turn off the automatic time and time zone. And now we can freely tap on date. And right now from this calendar we can pick the date we want to use. So for example, the 14th of March. We can change the time also. For example, this one, tap on OK, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied to the status bar. The same situation with the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available regions from which we can choose. So basically, just find it and tap on it. So I will pick this one. As you can see, it has been immediately applied. And of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the options connected with the time format. Currently we're using local default, but of course we can set it manually. So first of all, let's turn off this option. And now we can decide. Currently we are using 12-hour format. If you want to use 24-hour format, just tap on the switcher here. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied. So basically that's all. This is how to manually customize the date and time. And of course we can get back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers again. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time in your Google Pixel 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.